times 72, I think it's got a lot of factors, isn't that right? So let's start off with the easiest one. 1n, of course. Yeah, don't forget the easiest one. Sometimes people just kind of don't even think about it. It could be one of them, right? So, right? You know, like what happens is people like, oh, it's not going to work, and then they leave that out. That's the one that works. You know what I mean? Like, you got to write everything out. So 1 goes into 72. We know that one of them has to be negative, right? What about 2? Does 2 go into 72? 2 and what?
36.
Okay. What about 3?
24.
Okay, raise your hand. Does 3 go into 72? Yes, it does. Kobe, what's it become?
Wait, I have it.
Okay, yes, Owen. 3 and 24. Now, Sierra, there's anything else going? Is that it? 6 goes in. 4, does 4 go in? Does 4 go into 72? Oh, it does? How many times?
13.
Shh. Okay, hold on. 4 and? Yeah. 4 and? Oh, 4 doesn't go into 72? It does? Okay, raise your hand. There's 4 going. I'm just going by. Yes, John. 18. 4 and 18. Yeah, look, if it's 2 times 36, right? If it's 4, then you divide 36 by 2 and then whatever the stuff. Anyway, does 5 go into 72? Of course not. 6?
Yes.
How many, Matthew, how many times? You guys didn't write this out?
Oh,
You raise your 12? Okay. Okay, 12. Alright. Wait. How come?
6 and 12.
6 and 12? Alright. And raise your hold on, raise your hand. Shh. Yes, Judy? 8 and 9. Is that it?
Alright.
Okay, good. Is that it? Okay, now it's multiple choice. Okay, so which one of these? Oh, you have to remember one of them has to be negative, right? Otherwise, you will never get negative 72, correct? Because if it's positive and positive, of course it's not going to be negative. What if it's negative and negative?
It'll be positive.
It'll be positive. So one of them has to. Which one? Raise your hand. Shh. Raise your hand. Harrison, did you get one?
2 and negative 30.
2 and negative 36. Does that work?
Yeah.
Yes? How do people say? Yes?
It works.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's verify. M times n gives you m squared. Of course, 2n times negative 3n gives you negative.
2n.
What? What's 2n times negative 36n? It better give you negative 72n squared, which is what we need. Now, we need to look at negative 34mn. What's m times negative 36? N. Good. Negative 36mn. Madeline, what about 2n times m? Yeah. Do we get negative 34 when I add them together? Yeah, right? Okay, so how many people got this? Raise your hand. M plus 2n times m minus 3n. Very good. If you didn't, any question?
Only people should be
Are we good? No questions? Any questions? Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one then. Go ahead, try example 6. Should be very similar to the other ones. Or is it? Okay, everybody try. Okay, so did you all start out with this form?
Yes.
Okay. How many ways are there to get negative 10 to multiply two integers? You could have. This time I wrote them all out. Is that okay? Why do you think it's a good idea for me to write all of them out for this one? Alvin? Yeah, this time, when I first looked at 10 and 2 and 5, and 1 and 10 and 2 and 5, none of them work really. So I just want to make sure. Does any of these work, by the way? None of them work. What does that mean? Yeah, so. Do you think you're going to get a whole bunch of these? When you do a test or something? No. Okay, guys, kind of keep this in mind. You're not going to get too many of these, because if I ever give you too many of these, it's not good for you, because you have to try every possible way. Okay? So you want to kind of hope that you don't get too many of these. And on the test, you will not get too many, because these prime ones, you have to look at every possible single, right? Possibilities. Otherwise, you don't know for sure. Okay, none of these work, do they? So you just write either not factorable or prime. Depends on what they ask you to write, okay?
Yeah.
Any question?